from where you live.
But when you're forecasting, I'm always looking at new data. I'm looking at new data right till about 45 seconds before I see you on air here. And I did drop our low temperature tonight a little bit because it does appear that these clouds we've got out there are going to clear out a little bit sooner. I mean, we may go mostly clear by 1 in the morning. So I dropped it down to 57, and I do think there will be patchy fog that will be dense in places as the winds go calm. So I dropped the lows down about 2-3 degrees. We went for 55 to 60 for your low, 57 Florida, Delphi, Lafayette, Frankfurt, 55 Logansport, 59 though at Peru, and then we're mid-50s from Rensselaer and Kentland over to Fowler, about 60 down at Covington. Really since late July, after very wet weather in mid-July from Beryl, and then we had the trade show and a couple rounds of some storms, it's been very dry, really, late July, right through now at the midpoint of August. And in fact, this first 2 weeks of August, first 14 days, will end up as the 7th dry as such stretch on record. The dry as such stretch was just a trace in 1901. That was a big drought year. 1904, 1955. Back in 2016, we only had 800s in the first 14 days of August, but we're going to end up number 7. We've had 1300s at the Purdue Airport, but I can tell you, I know at my place I've had 200s for the month of August, grass browning, and there are pockets in the area, especially up north, that haven't had anything here in August. So it's getting quite dry now. There's the fog in the morning of 57, and then we got the hazy sun, a few clouds, sunshine, warmer tomorrow, but not much wind at all, with 85 and 82 to 87 will do it for highs area-wide. The humidity will not be that high tomorrow. That's the good thing, but it's still going to be a very warm day, and warmer still Thursday and a bit more humid. The patchy fog early. We've got the sunshine, a few clouds, just a light southeast wind in the afternoon, and an 87-degree high temperature, 89 at Covington to your 86 at Flora and Burlington. So these clouds, I think these are going to get out of here pretty quickly tonight. So we'll go for a mostly clear sky with some of that fog around, and then there's tomorrow afternoon. We're fine, just very warm. Watch for more fog on Wednesday morning. And then we just have a few clouds in the afternoon with more sunshine, more humid, and certainly gonna be warmer as well. Now there is Thursday. This is Thursday morning. We got one wave of some scattered showers and thunderstorms that will come through, then a break where the sun comes out, and then I think we'll have a few more during the evening hours. Now, the hottest weather in the 90s and the area that's got the best chance of slight risk for severe is going to be this pocket right down here, mainly just southwest of our area. We'll see if we get a marginal risk, perhaps the risk of an isolated severe storm, and generally 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain can be expected on Thursday. Sunny, then clouds bubbling up, a thunder shower or two Friday, and then it's warm and warmer still next week. Low mid-80s over the weekend. We'll be in the upper